In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lot in Exness trading. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the lot size control, how to choose your order type, and how to confirm your trade using the regular form on the Exness web platform. Start by opening the Exness web trading terminal in your browser and sign into your account. On the platform, look over the watch list and choose the instrument you want to trade. If you don't see it right away, click the plus icon to add more symbols to your list. Use the search bar to type the name or ticker of the market you're interested in, and then add it so it appears in your watch list. When you open a symbols trade panel, you'll notice there are several order entry styles. You'll see regular, one-click, and a risk calculator form. One-click is designed for very fast execution with minimal fields, while the risk calculator form helps you plan position size based on risk parameters. For this walkthrough, select the regular form so you can clearly set volume, take profit, and stop loss before placing the order. On the regular form, the current sell and buy prices are shown side by side. This is where you can also observe the spread between them. Next, look at the order type selector. You can toggle between market and pending. Market places the order immediately at the available price, while pending lets you set orders that trigger later at your chosen price. For now, switch to pending to see the options, then return to market so we can place an immediate trade. Now focus on the volume field. This is where you add the lot size. A lot represents the position size for the instrument, and even small changes can meaningfully affect your exposure. Use the plus or minus controls or type the number directly to set the lots you want. If you're unsure, start with a smaller lot size and adjust gradually as you get comfortable. Keep in mind that your available margin and leverage influence how large a position you can open. Below volume, set your take profit and stop loss. These levels help you lock in gains and cap risk automatically. Enter a target price where you'd like profits to be taken, and a protective stop where the trade will close if it moves against you. Placing both is a good practice to keep your plan disciplined. Finally, review everything: instrument order type, volume lots, and your TP and SL. When you're ready, click Confirm Buy to execute the trade using the selected lot size. That's it. Your position is open with the lot size you set.